PTW and just want to say you are very lucky to have clicked on this video, because I will show you step by step how to make $100 with Google in less than 5 minutes. Yes, it is real and don't be surprised by this because you will see with your own eyes, and I'm sure that you will try to do exactly this after this video. The first step is to go to Google and write Google News. After this here you have to find the news that is trending now in the US. That's why we click here and these are the most current news at the given time in the US. Step 2. Go to this site, SEO Writing AI. This site can make an article on any topic in less than 5 minutes. So we create an account on this site. This is free, and absolutely everything I'm going to show you today is free and works for everyone. You will have to put your name and email from another and create a password, or you can connect with Google. After you have logged in, access GBT chat, and we give them the following requirement. Write 10 topic ideas and titles for different bizarre and entertaining article stories based on your events. And I noticed that the GBT chat got the job done and gave me 10 titles for the articles. Now from these 10, you have to choose a theme that you think is more interesting and which is somewhat in trend at the given moment. One copy from here and we go to the site that can make articles for us. To create an article we click on Create New, and then we click here. After that we will be on this page. Here you have to put the title copied from the GBT chat, and after that you click on Create Title. After the title is created we scroll down, and I notice that we can change the settings in the article that we'll do. I will leave it as it is, but I will go below and here I will click on Keywords. After that we scroll up and click on Run. Now we were waiting for our article to be ready. The article is ready, and it has everything it needs to have. As you can see, only the image is missing. We will not be able to add images here. Now, to add images to our article, we access the vocal site. This site and the rest, so you don't have to worry, I'll leave their links on my Twitter account. You can find my Twitter account in the description of this video. We continue. So on this site you can publish articles, but we won't need that. We just want to add images to our article. You will need to create an account on this site. After this you will click on your profile and then on Create. Now we go to SEO Writing AI and copy the title of the article, and we put it here. After the whole article we copy and paste it here below. Now to add images on the article, we have to click with the cursor on a place where it is empty, and then this plus will appear. You will have to click on it and you will see that it gives you 3 options, including adding images. Now let's look for images for our article. For this we return to the GBT chat, and we copy that title again that we chose later to create the article. So I'll copy it and go to Google and put it here after I click on the images. And here I have to choose images for my article. I will choose this one. I will download it to my laptop and go back to the vocal site, and put the saved image from Google here. I only put an image, but I advise you to put at least 2 more images. Now save this article on this site because we will need it in the future. So now that our article is complete and has everything, we go to step 3. I will go back to Google and look for the following site, listverse.com. On this site people post different interesting stories that happened in the past. Here's if we click here up, and then on Write and Get Paid, we will see that this site says that it pays $100 for your effort, i.e. for articles posted on their site if they accept it. The site pays money via PayPal. Below is written how it works and the rules you have to follow in order for your article to be accepted and published. I will go through it quickly, but I also advise you to access the site and read carefully. Now let me show you how you can put an article here. For that I click on this red writing. Send it, and for the beginning, you will have to enter your personal data, your name, the email, and also the email from PayPal. Here below you have to put the article. First the title of the article. We go to the vocal site where our article is and copy the title and put it. After this we need the introduction. We copy the introduction and put it here. Here after this, we copy the rest of the article and place it here. Now check that you agree, and click on Submit List, and your article went to the verification. Now you have to wait between 1 and 3 days and they will tell you if your article has been accepted or not. And so you got $100 in less than 5 minutes. Now think that there are no limits on this site. This is the first way to make money with this article. I will continue to show you the second method, which is also good and with which you can easily make $50 per day for free. If you want to find out, you have to stay with me for another minute. But if you don't want to, you can go and test the first method. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on this video. Now for those who are left, for the second method, we have to go back to the title list that gave me ChatGPT and copy the title that we chose when we created the article. After that we go to Google and put it here. Now we have to find an interesting article. For example this one. We need to copy the link from this article. Then we search on Google the site, Shrink Me, and we access it. This site pays us when someone clicks on our link. First we have to create an account on this site. It's quite simple. Now we are on our account. To create a link that people will click on and the site will pay, we have to click on these 3 lines and then on Create New Short Link. Here they put the link from the article that I found on Google. And then click on Short. Now the next step that we have to do is to go back to the vocal site where our created article is located. Here we will have to put the link that this site gave me. So I will write like this. Click here for a full article by history.com. And then I will copy my shortened link. And I will put it in the right of this writing. Now we will copy this writing and put it in different parts of our article. Now we publish this article on this site because this site has hundreds of thousands of people who visit it daily and read articles. So what will happen? People will see your article and read it and want to know more about that topic, and they will click on that link to the article on Google. In this way we will receive $1 for each click. Now think that 100 people will click on your link, then you will receive $100, but if 1,000 people will click, you will have $1,000 and so on. That was all. If you like it, leave a like and subscribe to this channel. With you it was NMPTW, and see you next time.